Imagine a world where factories run themselves, where robots and humans collaborate in perfect harmony, and where production happens at the speed of light. This isn't science fiction. It's the future powered by 6G. While 5G connected our devices, 6G is set to connect entire industries, creating a revolution we've only dreamed of. Let's step into the factory of the future. Here, production lines are entirely wireless. Machines communicate with each other instantaneously, operating with a level of precision that's simply impossible today. There are no delays, no glitches, just a seamless flow of manufacturing. This is where collaborative robots, or cobots, come into play. These aren't the caged-off robots of the past. 6G gives them the ultra-low latency and hyper-awareness to work safely right next to human workers, assisting with complex tasks, lifting heavy loads, and boosting our own capabilities. It's a true partnership between human ingenuity and machine efficiency. But how do you manage such a complex system? The answer is the digital twin. With 6G, we can create a complete, real-time virtual replica of the entire factory. Every machine, every process, every single product is mirrored in the digital world. This allows us to predict maintenance needs before a machine ever breaks down, simulate changes to the production line without any real-world risk, and optimize performance down to the microsecond. We can test new ideas, train staff in a virtual environment, and push the boundaries of innovation safely. Now, let's bring it all together. The climax of this industrial evolution is the fully integrated smart factory. This is where 6G, artificial intelligence, and advanced robotics converge. AI analyzes vast amounts of data flowing through the 6G network, making intelligent decisions to streamline every operation. Robots execute these decisions flawlessly, adapting to new challenges in real time. This isn't just about making things faster. It's about making them smarter, more sustainable, and highly personalized. We're talking about a level of efficiency and innovation that will redefine what's possible. So, 6G is far more than just a faster internet connection for your phone. It's the foundational technology for the next industrial revolution. It's the spark that will ignite an era of unprecedented productivity and creativity. We are on the cusp of a new dawn for manufacturing, and 6G is lighting the way. Thanks for watching, and if you're excited about the future of technology, be sure to subscribe for more.